Hi everyone, I'm John Loyasi, and today we explore professional life skills and smart cooking techniques to create nutritious and beautiful meal. Pork VG Stir Fry. This demonstration blends a principle of food preparation and nutrition science.
Before cooking, it is important to wash all ingredients. I wash the vegetables under clean running water and rinse the pork thoroughly to remove impurities. Now, I'm cutting the pork into small bite-sized pieces so it cooks quickly and evenly. Next, let's prepare the garlic. I press the lightly with the knife to feel it faster. Then it chop into small pieces and now the garlic is ready. Next, I'm cutting the onion. I slice of both ends, peel the skin, and then cut into thin strips. And now I'm done cutting the onion. Here, I'm slicing the carrots into thin rounds. You can also cut them diagonal if you want them to look nice. Next, I cut off both ends of string beans and slice them into 2 to 3 inches pieces. Lastly, I'm chopping the cabbage into strips. And now, all of our ingredients are cut and ready. Here are all ingredients ready to cook. I'm turning the stove and heating a small amount of oil in the pan. Soon as the oil is hot, I add the garlic first. I saute it until it turns slightly golden. Then I add onions and cook it until soft and fragrant. Now I add the pork. I stir it well and let it cook until it changes color. Now it's time to add the vegetables that take longer to cook. I add the carrots and stir beans. First, I mix them, cover the pan, and let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I add the cabbage. Since cabbage cook quickly, I just mix it with the other vegetables and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. I taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning. I can add more salt, pepper, or the little soy sauce depending on my preference. I'm now transferring the dish into the plate. As you can see, the vegetables are colorful and the pork looks like tender. And it's it. Our pork veggie stir fry is done. It's easy to prepare, healthy, and delicious. Thank you for watching my cooking demonstration. I hope you enjoy and learned something today. See you next time.